Okay, here's part 2 of the jumping Gemini tutorial, and over in this one I'm going to show you all the lifts up until you start putting the cards on the table. So not that much, but I'm going to be explaining the double lift and the Elmsley count as well, because that part comes in here as well. Okay, so after you've got that order of the pack, by the way, you have to count the cards off like this. You have to do that, otherwise the order gets messed up. So you count the cards off like that, and that should have reversed the order of the pack. So now you show the 2 of spades at the bottom, and here you do an Elmsley count. It looks like you're actually just reversing the order, but you're actually doing something else. It's not that hard, but it looks quite natural, so it's quite a good slide. You take the top card off. It's the Elmsley count. You take the top card off, put it at the bottom, hold it there, and then you take the next 2 cards. Not 1, 2, okay? Take the next 2 cards and hold it in your other hand, and then push off the next card and the next card. Okay, hopefully you've got that. We'll do it again. You take the top card off, put it at the bottom, take the next 2 cards, and then you put that card down there, like that. So hopefully you've got that now. Sorry, it's not enough light, is it? Okay, so after you've done that, let me set up the order again, do it again. After you've showed 2 cards shown the 4 cards like that, show the bottom card, done the Elmsley count, okay, then you have to do double lift to show the 2 of hearts, and 2 of spades, sorry, to show this card. It's not at the top, it's second from the top. So you have to do double lift, pick up 2 cards to show that. And to do that, basically, you might see this looks quite natural. I just do it like that. Okay, and I'll show you how I did it. Just to basically, let me show you like this, just a bit closer. Sorry, I need to focus the camera a little. Okay, I push off with my thumb. I push off a little, like that. Okay, so you push off a bit, as you can see, with the 4 cards here. Okay, you push off the cards like that. Sorry, let me focus the camera again. After you've pushed off the cards a little, just like that. So the cards are a bit off now. It's a bit too much, but after you've pushed off the cards, I use my finger to lift up. It's easier to lift up 2 cards. So that's 2 cards there. So after you've pushed off, you need to get a feel of your cards as well. These are quite used, and I'm pretty good at it now, so I can pick up 2 cards quite easily because I know what my cards feel like. So they need some practice with the double lift, basically. Okay. So you push off 2 cards and use your finger to lift up 2 cards, and then you turn it over to show the 2 of spades. And to turn it back over, there's already a little break here. After your cards are quite used, they'll bend inwards, so they'll be opposing each other like that. So it's quite easy to just take the 2 cards and flip it back over. So after the Elmsley count, you do a double lift to show the card. Put the top card, which is not those 2 of spades, at the bottom. Show the 2 of spades, and then you show the card. Sorry, bad spread. Show the card going into the middle like this. Show the spectator. It has to be second from the bottom. Okay, so it has to be there. You have to put it there. Okay, and now you have to do a triple lift to show the cards. That's 4 cards and 3 cards, sorry, you've picked up. And the triple lift is basically the same thing, but it's a bit easier because you can just push off like that. It's easier than a double lift, basically. And you'll see when you try it, because it is much easier than a double lift. So that's it. You do a triple lift to show that, and that's all we're going to get up to in this part, I guess. So remember the double lift. You do an Elmsley count. Let me just sum up again in this part. sorry, you put it in that order I showed in part 1. Count down the cards like that. Show the 2 of spades there. Do an Emsley count, top card, put it at the bottom, next 2, next card, and then next card. That's the Emsley count. Then you do a double lift to show the 2 of spades. And then you put this at the bottom. Show the 2 of spades. Sorry. Put the 2 of spades second from the bottom. And you do a triple lift to show it. And that's all we're going to get up to in this part, and I'll see you in the next part. We'll explain more of the trick, I guess. Yeah, see you there, and part 3 will be coming later on.